Well, nights like these are just what you hope for as a spectator. A warm welcome. My name is Derek Ray, and my commentary partner on this occasion is Stuart Robson. And we're fully convinced this game will live up to its billing. It's France taking on Liverpool.
Well, I'm excited by this encounter today. Both teams have a good game plan. Both teams can be physical, and both teams have creative players. It could be a case of who wants it more.
Possession ceded by Liverpool. A gift for any goalkeeper. Dembele, in with a chance. And a goal to open the scoring. A very bright start to this one.
This is absolutely brilliant. He's such a good runner with the ball, and it's a great individual goal. Brilliant from him.
So France get the ball rolling once more. We're about to find out how they're going to react to the setback. Interception to snuff out the danger. Eusebio. And it's with Eusebio. Who can he pick out? Eusebio. An important challenge for them. And the referee says penalty. To make it 2-0. Real chance. Goal. Checking in from the spot and finding the target. So back underway with the lead standing at 2-0. Well read to ease the pressure. That's a goal. A goal! Just what they needed. Still plenty of life in this match.
Well, you have to admire this bit of play. Just look how he runs with the ball. He always looks in control, didn't he? That's a brilliant goal.
So the ball is rolling again. 2-1 the score. What's going to happen next? Eusebio. Just knocked it out of there. Eusebio. Alphonso Davies. Well, this could really help the cause. And it might be just what the Liverpool fans wanted to see as they extend their lead to 2 goals.
Well, as you can see, he doesn't mess about here, does he? He's strong, well-balanced and skillful. That's a top-class finish.
So the ball is moving again. We've been treated to 4 goals. 3-1 the score. Just cutting off the supply. Almost at half-time, and nothing really to complain about if you happen to be a Liverpool fan. Stuart, they've been impressive.
Well, they've dominated this first half.
Chance for Dembele! Has to be! And the keeper nowhere to be found. Not that he's complaining.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a simple finish in the end. But where was the defending? That's just not good enough.
Well, they get the ball rolling again. It does appear that Liverpool are just about out of sight. And there it is, the half-time whistle. So back back in business, and it was a breathtaking performance by Liverpool in the first 45, you've got to say. Moving the ball effectively. And teammates around him. It's Pele! A goal! And I'll tell you what, on this sort of form, very few would lay a glove on them.
Well, as you can see, he hits this with so much power, but just look at the follow-through. It's so athletic. That's a dynamic strike.
Pedri. Oh, what an opportunity. A goal! We're really being spoiled. This is attacking football at its finest.
Well, here we can see just how good this goal is. It has everything. Skill, pace and power. There was no stopping him there.
Both substitutes have been getting ready. Will come on at the same time. 30 minutes to go then. Kylian Mbappe. Now with Silva. Mbappe. Oh, he saved it well. Plenty of support here. And Dembele's given it away. Could be dangerous. What a big chance that was. Keeper has the ball. Silva. Well, very effective play in possession, but they took care of the situation defensively. Well, very close to the end of this game, and a performance Liverpool fans are going to remember fondly.
Well, what can you say about this performance? They've been absolutely brilliant. They've played with such guile and creativity, and their passing has been so expansive.
Not Pele! And surely, and a goal to seal the hat-trick! A masterclass at finishing, just can't stop him today!
Well, here it is again. It's an easy finish in the end, but what was the keeper thinking? That's a poor bit of defending.
Iniesta. And that will be that. The end of this game